Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we're diving into a brand new AI video model that I truly believe can be a real game changer. It's called Kling O1 and it's known as the world's first unified multimodal video engine. That basically means it understands language, visuals, and motion together as one single creative system. In this video, we're going to focus on how to use Kling O1 directly from the platform Higgsfield.ai. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now, and they're building tools specifically for creators like us. Their mission is to be the most creator-friendly platform on the market. So instead of fighting with complicated tools, you get a smooth, guided experience for making videos. Now let's talk about how Kling O1 actually works under the hood. It uses a special MVL architecture, which blends language, visuals, and motion into a single creative process. That means your natural descriptions don't just stay as text. They turn into rich, coherent video scenes that actually match the story in your head. With this new model, you can create completely new videos from scratch. You can also edit existing video clips to fix or enhance them. On top of that, you can expand your video, for example by extending a shot or continuing a scene. And you can change the style of your video, like going from realistic to anime, or from vlog style to cinematic. All of this happens in one single place, inside the same workflow. That gives you a consistent, repeatable process that makes content creation much easier and faster. Kling O1 itself is a new kind of creative engine. Instead of wrestling with rigid robotic prompts, you can create in a much more natural way. You just describe a character the way you think about them in your head. You can reference an image to lock in the look, the style, or the framing that you want. You can mix different styles. You can even combine multiple shots, and Kling O1 will try to keep them coherent in one continuous story. The key idea is that Kling O1 understands the full context of what you're describing. From that context, it builds video outputs that feel consistent, cinematic, and visually rich. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's actually see how this works directly on Higgsfield with Kling O1. I've left the link to Higgsfield Kling O1 in the description below this video. Go ahead and click that link to open the Higgsfield website in your browser. Once the page is loaded, you'll see the main Higgsfield interface for Kling O1. From here, look for the button that says Start Now. We're going to click Start Now to begin using Kling O1 inside Higgsfield. In the next part, I'll walk you through the interface and show you how to create your first Kling O1 video step by step. Now let's jump into a hands-on demo of the video creation features. We're going to start with creating a brand new video using reference images. Kling O1 allows us to upload up to 7 reference images for a single video. So first, we'll choose a folder on our computer that contains all of our images. These images will help Kling O1 lock the look of each character throughout the video. Once the images are selected, we upload them all into the Kling O1 interface. You'll see each reference image appear in the panel, ready to guide the generation. Next, we need to add a prompt to tell the model what we want to see. Here, we'll keep it simple. We want all these characters to appear vividly and cinematically in one scene. So we type a prompt describing that vivid cinematic look for our characters. You can be natural and descriptive here, just like you're explaining a shot to a film crew. Now we'll set the video duration to 10 seconds. This is a great length to quickly test consistency without waiting too long. Before generating, make sure the model is set to Kling O1 in the dropdown. This guarantees we're using the new unified multimodal engine for the best results. If you're on the ultimate plan, you'll see a toggle for unlimited video generation. Turn that on so you can create as many Kling O1 videos as you want without worrying about limits. Once everything looks good, we hit generate. Now we just wait a little bit while Kling O1 processes our prompt and reference images. When the rendering is finished, let's hit play and check out the result. Right away, you can see that the video keeps the characters consistent from frame to frame. The faces look uniform, matching the reference images we uploaded. Their costumes and outfits are also kept quite consistent with the original references. Pretty awesome, right? And this alone already opens up a lot of possibilities for UGC-style videos. For example, you can create UGC videos for any product you want to promote. You just upload all your product images into Kling O1 as references. Then you write a prompt like, models and influencers wear the clothes, hold the handbags, wear the hats, put on the glasses, and walk down the street. That kind of prompt tells Kling exactly what you want the characters to do with those products. After that, you simply hit generate again. We wait a bit while the model processes everything, and then we get a resulting video where the characters showcase your products in a natural way. As you can see, the output looks very good and very usable for marketing content. This makes it incredibly easy to turn static product photos into dynamic, engaging video ads. You can even edit a generated video if you're not happy with the result. For example, if we want to add a new cat walking next to the woman in the video, we just click Edit, upload the cat image we want to insert, Then write a prompt that specifically references both the cat and the woman using the @ symbol. After that, we simply hit generate again. Awesome, right? Let's compare the two videos. You can see that after generating a UGC video, we can edit it by adding a new character or new elements while still keeping all the main aspects the same, including the motion and environment. The feature we just tested is the video editing feature from Kling O1, which is currently one of the best video editing models out there. Let's take another look at some of the example videos already generated by Kling O1 on Higgsfield. As you can see, the model can easily restyle an image and still output a really high quality video.
Damn!
Pretty amazing, right? This is why Kling O1 is currently one of the best restyle models available. You just write a natural description of how you want to restyle the video, and Kling O1 handles the complex transformation automatically behind the scenes. Another cool feature that you really should try yourself is the start frames end frame feature. This setting helps you join two scenes into one continuous shot. It's especially useful for those who want to create seamless transitions between scenes. You can control where the model starts and ends the transformation, making your edits flow smoothly. Now we've reached one of the most important parts. Higgsfield is currently offering an unlimited Kling O1 promotion. This promotion is available for anyone who signs up for the Ultimate package before December 12th. That means you can create videos using Kling O1 with no limit on how many you generate. Compared to other platforms offering Kling-based features or similar models, Higgsfield is one of the cheapest options on the market, so from a cost-performance point of view, it's extremely attractive. If you're making video marketing content, running ads, or building a content library, this is a huge advantage. If you're making films or narrative content and want to keep your characters and settings stable across many takes, it's even more valuable. This is honestly one of the best times to experience Kling O1 on Higgsfield. You get powerful creative tools, high consistency, and unlimited generations under the Ultimate plan. We'll leave the link to Higgsfield and the Kling O1 page right below in the description. Make sure to check it out, explore the features yourself, and start creating your own cinematic AI videos today.